Well, how y'all doing? It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a show enough good start to a new week. But I'm here to tell you over here in East Central Mississippi, about 88 degrees outside, and it is fitting to come a flood again. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, before it rains and I'm outside, I got a few things that I want to show you. So give me a second, and that's what we finna do. Dan, what you got going on over there at the Home of the Sticks? Well, I'm here to tell you, we sure enough got some rain last night. Picked up about 2 inches of rain, and it looks like it's finna drop a bunch more, and that's fine because we can use it over here. But I'm over here by the earth bed garden, and I'm here to tell you, a couple of days ago I didn't see any of this. So I'm gonna spin you all around. I'm gonna show you what's been growing on over here. It's exciting, actually. Look there. Got a couple of nice Oriental Express cucumbers on the vine, and I got quite a few of them. There's one right there. Look at there. Got a lot of blooms. Here's one right here. Oh, there's another one right there. It's just amazes me what a little bit of water from the sky can do to make things grow. Have a bunch of squash. Here's some crookneck squash I actually need to pick pretty soon. I'm gonna let those go. I actually like them little small ones myself. Plenty of blooms all over the place, liking that. And look there, got some nice zucchini on the ground. That's probably, I should have picked that one probably a little earlier, but then again, I didn't really see it. It was there when I went looking. And these tomatoes have just taken off. I have clusters of Roma tomatoes all over the place. The lemon boys are looking good. The bigger boys are looking good. There's tomatoes all over the place on these. And they're looking mighty good. Kind of makes me want to fry up some green tomatoes, but I'm gonna let these guys go. So, the earth bed garden is looking really, really good. I just thank the good Lord that he dropped some rain on me over here in East Central Mississippi, because everything's starting to grow good now. Let's walk over here, and this is something that really surprised me. It's over here on the north side of the 40. The last year or so, I did a video on some container berries that I had planted over here. And this one is an actual raspberry. But look at here. Look at all them dadgum raspberries. So it's been over a year now. Never saw anything till this year. It's actually starting to put off raspberries. And there is one right there that I'm gonna pull off. Look there. Ooh, actually good. Tastes like a raspberry. Got a lot of peppers coming on now. These are the cayennes. I got some Tabascos. Onions are looking good. Starting to bulb up, I think. I done left them alone. And then all of the flowers are still looking good because they're getting lots of rain. Look how pretty that straw flower is. Big old arrangement that I did in the front of the shop is actually looking really good. The rain, they're loving the rain. That's for daggum sure. So, yeah. Got a bunch of peppers over here. And I want to say that these are cayennes as well. And I have some Tabascos mixed in here. I don't see any flowers on a few of these yet. But that's okay, they're still small. And yeah, I planted a whole bunch of peppers in one pot because my thinking was if one fizzled out, I'd have one left, or both made it, I could transplant it. But if they're growing, I'm gonna let them grow. If it ain't broke, I ain't gonna fix it. All right, y'all, this is gonna be a really short video today because it is fitting to come a flood and I don't wanna get wet. But that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. It's just amazing what a little bit of rain can do to a garden and on a farm. As a matter of fact, I'm over there looking at my purple hull peas and I see a bunch of them standing up straight as well. I feel a couple of raindrops hitting me too. Again, hope everybody's having a show enough good start to the week, and I hope everybody stays safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go on, give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home of Sticks channel, Lord of mercy. Y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look. because I'm always doing stuff like praying for rain. With that being said, you know it's coming down. Referee sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody doubt your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on, put something in the dirt. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.